Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, also known as Jazzy Mina, and welcome to another video. So in this video, it's going to be a cute press-on nail tutorial of this beautiful and elegant Valentine's Day set. I call this Love in Paris. Yeah, because it's giving. She's serving a look. The tips that I'm using are the Clara Colors medium stiletto tips. Just a quick disclaimer, you do need to use a layer of builder gel on these if you really want them to last fully. Sometimes they may break in the middle if there's a lot of tension or you find yourself using your hands a lot. So I would definitely go on top of these with a bit of builder gel. But before I started, I went ahead and added 1 coat of Beetle Space Gel. And on top of these for the base, I'm going to be using the D&D Bonfire Red. And then for my nude, I'm going to be using the D&D Soulfly in the number 872, I believe. Right now, I'm going ahead over each one of the tips, and I'm adding 2 layers total to all of the tips on each one of the base colors. So you're going to see me add the first layer, cure it for about 60 seconds, and then go ahead and go in with that second layer. Anywho, I really want to make sure that I say in my voice, Happy New Year! Oh my goodness. We are, 10 days, 11 days into the new year. How is it going so far? Is it going how you want it, how you planned in your vision? Or just throw it away already? Let me know in the comments down below. For me, it's going great so far. We're up, rocking, and rolling. And I'm hoping that it is the same for all of you. This is my first tutorial of the year. And I plan to create and post so many more. I have really high hopes and goals for my channel this year. And I really want to dedicate more time and really think and structure of how I want this channel to be. Starting with that, I am so excited to say that I finally have my press-on nail shop up, running, open, and I'm so excited about it. If you go in my bio on YouTube, the link to the website is there. I will also have the link to my shop in the description box below if you're interested in buying any. But yeah, if you don't, that's fine too. Just go ahead and take a look at it. Let me know what you think. It definitely took me a while to get it together and make sure all of the technicalities were in order, but I'm so happy that I did it sooner rather than later. And yeah, I'm just so excited that it's finally up, and now I can move on to this content, honey, because I have been really flowing with creative juices and all the things. So I'm just super excited. After I added my 2 layers of the base colors, I did go ahead and on the nails with the French, I'm going to go in with my matte top coat, which they call it a Russian top coat. I'm assuming it's just less shiny, more velvety, more matte. So that is what I'm using, and I bought that from Alibaba, and I'm still testing it out. I think it's a pretty good matte, so I'm definitely going to list it down below in the description box. For the 2 red nails, I'm going in with just some glossy top coat, and I'm using the Cat Beauty glass top for those. The reason why I go in with matte on the nude nails is because I'm going to be drawing on those, and so I find that, one, I can draw better when they are matte, and then also I can see where or when I might need to wipe some off or adjust some things, and I won't have to disturb my base color that I already have on the nail. So I'm going to go ahead and put 1 layer on all of them, and then we're going to cure it for 60 seconds. After they all are cured, I did go ahead for the middle nail and drew the white French on top of that. Now, I thought I recorded it, but rookie moves, rookie. The color that I use is white and the brand is Sunshine. So I just get that from my local nail supply store, but any perfect white would do. After I did apply the French, I did cure it for 60 seconds. So that was that for the middle nail. So sorry you guys didn't get to see it. But for these two nails, as in the thumb and the ring finger, I'm going to be going in with some transfer foil gel. And this, I'm going to be drawing a French on top of the mat. Now, because the base is matte, it makes it easier for me to see what I'm drawing because the gel is just shiny. So it makes it easier for me to see. So on top of the gel, once I cure it for about 60 seconds, I'm going to go in with some foil, which you're going to be able to see momentarily. In here is the foil. It's like a flower-y. It has like red, purple, and pink flowers on it. And then underneath you have some like cheetah print, some abstract lines, just the whole nine. I will say I'm not sure if it's just, user error or maybe the quality of the products that I'm using, but the foil for some reason wasn't transferring as clean or as nice as I would have liked it. So I found myself having to go in and kind of work the foil into the empty spaces that didn't get any on it. I used my silicone tool to kind of like press and work it in, but for some reason it worked some, but it wasn't as perfect as I wanted it to be. So if you have any advice on that part, let me know in the comments down below. I did use a transfer gel from, I believe, Temu, and it's by the brand Meet Across. If you have other brands that you think will work better, go ahead and list them down for me. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing for the thumb. And I'm going to be using that same foil and process for the ring finger as well. After I applied all of the foil, I'm going to be adding the glass top coat by Cat Beauty again over all of the nails, just so that we can preserve this base that we have going so far. I add one layer of this glass top gel, and then I'm going to cure the entirety for 60 seconds. Let me know if you guys like the voiceovers for the tutorials. I tend to have a harder time talking while doing, which is why I usually don't. But some people find that the real-time interaction is a lot more entertaining or helpful. And if you guys just like the voiceovers, that's fine too. Just let me know which one you like better. So next, I'm going to be using the McCart rhinestone gel. And then I also got this kind of like off-brand gel from Temu. I'm going to be using the moklawz rhinestone glue to actually adhere the red heart rhinestone to the nail. And then the knockoff brand gel I'm going to be using to create those 3D lines that you're going to see later. I didn't use the knockoff rhinestone gel because honestly, y'all, it's not that great of quality. Like, if you were on my New Year's Eve little like live that I was on my New Year's nails on, I did one hand with moklawz rhinestone glue and then the other one with the knockoff. Y'all, it's not tea. So I'm gonna be using it for the 3D gel. Like if I'm drawing on the nail with just gel and I want to add texture, perfect for that. But do not use it to adhere rhinestones unless you want to squeeze the entire bottle out on top of the nail. Anywho, for the middle finger, which has the white French on there, I'm going to be taking my red rhinestones and I'm going to be creating like a little border around the French line. These rhinestones are so beautiful. Like, they're so deep. I don't know if that makes sense, but they just look so good. Like, so freaking good. And this, honestly, besides the ones with pearls, might be my favorite. But for this nail, I used the moklawz rhinestone glue as well around the perimeter. And I'm just going from big in the center and then going smaller as I go down the nail. While the French nail is curing, next I moved on to the other French tip nails. Now these I'm going to be using these super cute red pearls, flat back pearls. I'm not sure exactly where I got this from, but all of the items that I used in the video will be listed in the description box below. If you find that I may have missed something or you cannot find something, go ahead and let me know and I can find the link and get that to you. Again, I'm using the moklawz rhinestone glue and I'm using the same process that I used for the white French tip, which is just using a larger pearl for the middle and just getting smaller as we go down the sides of the nails. And I'm going to be doing this for both of the nails, the thumb and the ring finger, and I'm going to cure both for 60 seconds. After I get done with the thumb and the ring finger and then curing for 60 seconds, I do move on to that index fingernail, which has the red heart rhinestone in the center. And what I'm doing here is just taking that knockoff rhinestone gel, and I'm creating 3D, just like 3D thick lines that kind of curve towards the center and makes the heart rhinestone kind of stick out more. I really do like using this method to add texture to the nail and just make it a little bit more fun and interesting. After that, I do go ahead and I cure it for 60 seconds. And then once everything is fully cured, I'm going to go in with my Cat Beauty glass top coat. And this is the final result, honey. They are so beautiful. It's like blooming in Paris. And the only reason I say Paris is because of the colors. They are so cute and so different from just the pink and red for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys love this set and love the tutorial just as much as I loved creating it for you guys. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye!